We are talking about wine today and how to pronounce German wine names. It's all about understanding German wines by drinking. Hi wine friends, welcome. I'm Rita and I'm a linguist and a passionate wine lover, and I'm also the founder of Pure Rita's Wine. Pronouncing wine terms can be sometimes very difficult, especially these German wine words. I know. I'm German and I'm going to help you with your pronunciation of these tricky German wine words. Today we are looking at the German wine term Spätlese and how to pronounce it correctly. So grab a glass of wine, perhaps a German wine, take a deep breath or a good sip and it's going to be okay. So let's start with our quick German pronunciation exercise. How to say Spätlese. Put on your headphones and relax and just listen. Spätlese, 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 Spätlese. Well done! If you want to know more about Spätlese, watch my video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Which German wine term do you find hard to pronounce? Please let me know in a comment below. Wine lovers, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up and don't forget to click on the red button to subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to drink something tasty tonight, German wine maybe. Prost!